Hello everybody, in today's lesson I'll be teaching you how to do basic problems in pre-algebra. So basically what you're going to do is when you see a minus on this side, you're going to want to throw it to the other side. And by doing that you do the opposite of negative, which is positive. So you get positive 3, so you get the positive number of whatever the negative is on the other side, the opposite. Then once you have that, you throw it down. You got 4x equals 16. And once you get that, then you're going to get this number, and you want it to equal x right here. So by doing that, you're going to divide by the number that's in the coefficient, the one in front of it. And once you do that, x equals 4 because 16 divided by 4 is 4, right? So your answer will be 4. Yep. So for the next one, you're going to do the opposite of positive, which is negative. So you're going to get negative 5, and you're going to want to throw it to the other side over here on the right. And then you get 10x equals 20. Then you divide by 10 the coefficient to equal this, and you do it to both sides so you know what x equals by itself. X would equal 2. Okay, now you have that, and that's your answer. Now for these, the fractions, they're a little bit harder, but they're still pretty easy. So you see the bottom number, the denominator, you're going to want to times that on every number, but except the fraction, when you times it, they cancel out, and you're just going to get 1x, and like x itself is 1x. It's basically like an invisible number. So once you have that, you're going to times everything by the denominator, so you get a easy to solve problem. Now you have 1x plus 4, because you do 2 times 2 equals 4, and then you do 4 times 2, which equals 8. Now you have this x right here has an invisible 1 in front of it. You don't need a 1 because anything times 1 is itself. So you get rid of that, so it's basically just x plus 4 equals 8. Then you do the opposite of positive, which is negative, on both sides. And you get x equals 4. And that's your answer, because 8 minus 4 equals 4. There you go. Now for this one, it's a little bit harder, but it's still pretty easy and simple. You just do times 3 times 3, and you just do what the denominator has. And you don't change the top number, just the bottom number, because the opposite of division is multiplication. You can learn that. Pretty simple. And then this cancels out. You scroll down, 2x equals negative, oops, my bad, 2x minus 3, because negative 1 times 3 equals negative 3. And then you do 3 times 7, which equals 21. Pretty simple. Now you have it in where you were before, and you're just going to do the opposite of negative, which is positive, on both sides. And then you get 2x equals 24. Now you have that. You're going to want to divide by the coefficient on both sides, just equal x by itself. And x equals 12. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like for more videos like this. And tell me what I should improve on my videos. And I hope y'all learned something and this will help you out in school. Have a great day, everyone.